Yeah.
Now, watch this.
What the heck? Okay. We're waiting on the upholstery seat to come in. That's why it looks like that. Well, that's pretty nice. Pretty nice.
This piece
Got some unusual stuff on it.
Just aluminum, cut it out with a hacksaw, drilled holes in it.
Awesome.
Oil drains from the top frame down to the bottom. Goes along and it's picked up right here and goes in the engine. And it comes back out of the engine. It's dumped out back from here and comes down. Feel the frame right there. It's warm.
I feel it already. Awesome.
This is Dwayne's engine. Dino's wheels. So it forks off one of the bikes.
It's called Shattered, but I said it should have been called, what did I say, Leftovers?
Leftovers. Leftovers.
L-O, Leftovers. It's the low bike, leftover parts. Wow, it's pretty. I like it.